Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get out of safe mode if you're stuck for whatever reason. And if these buttons on the side don't work, usually you can hold down the power button and the volume down. And after like 10 seconds that will force restart your phone. But sometimes that might not work and it'll keep starting into safe mode. But you can look in the top left. Usually there's an option that just pops up right here. It says tap right here and it'll say turn off safe mode. So you can just turn this off right here, press that, and then we can also go to the top right. Just look for this power option. So it might be on the top or it might be down low. Somewhere on the screen there's going to be this little symbol, you just have to tap it. And then you can just restart your phone and it should restart into the normal mode. So you can see safe mode right here. I just want to tap this right here and it'll power off my phone or restart it. So let's do it now, and I should get out of safe mode now when I do this. So look at those two options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.